Isaac Newton's Three Laws of Motion by Arianna and Julia.
Isaac Newton was born on January 4th, 1643, and passed away March 20th, 1726. His fields of study were physics, math, algebra, and philosophy.
First law of motion. Isaac Newton's first law of motion stated, every object persists in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless it's compelled to change that state by forces impressed on it. This law is also known as the law of inertia.
Julia will throw the ball and it will not stop until Charlie stops it.
Second law of motion. Isaac Newton's second law of motion is force equals mass times acceleration. The more force you add, the more acceleration. If the object has more mass, it won't accelerate as high as an object with less mass.
Me and Julia are going to throw a dance bag and a lunchbox with the same force and see which one goes farther. The lunchbox went farther because it had less mass compared to the heavy dance bag, which has a heavier mass. Newton's third law of motion. Isaac Newton's third law of motion is with every reaction, there is an opposite and equal reaction. When Julia bounces down on the bungee chair, the same amount of force bounces her back up.
Bloopers.
Me and Julia are going to throw a dance bag and a lunchbox at the same force and see which one goes farther. The lunchbox went farther because it has a less mass.
How do you know it's
Okay. Me and Julia are going to throw a dance bag and a lunchbox and see which one goes farther. Don't do it. Don't do it. No! Wait, ow! When Julia, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Julia's going to throw the ball. The ball will keep rolling until Charlie or Roman stops it.
Roman, stop.
Okay. Oh man, that's the wrong way.
When Arianna jumps on the ball, the same amount of force she used will be pushed back onto her.
Edits.
Charlie as dog.
Julia as Julia.
Arianna as Arianna.
Bloopers cast.
Dan as Dan.
Jen as Jen. Thank you.